Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Today I'm going to show you the survival garden I put together for $16 from Dollar General. So, Rebel Canners and Shed Warriors, I went to Dollar General and I got a seed haul. This is amazing. Let me show you. 16 different seed packets. There was 2 more kinds that I could have gotten. I didn't get there's 3 flowers, and then they had some onions, and I didn't get those because, of course, we all know the onion seed won't keep. But right now, Shed Warriors, that is the time to get your seeds for next year for things other than onions. So I have picked up for next year at $1 a packet. These are all heirlooms. They're all from Burpee, and I got them at Dollar General. But Dollar General, and there's that coupon you get if you spend $25, you get $5 off. So like 5 of these were actually free for me. And I have some that I've never got in my collection before. I've got this one. I have San Marzano tomato. It's a paste tomato. This is one that I haven't gotten before. Lutz Green Leaf Winter Keeper Beet. This is a new one to my collection, a different variety. I like to keep a variety of things in it. I do have these red Chardonnays, but I picked up a new pack. This was one I'd never seen before. I don't have. It is a melon. It's a Charentalis melon, muskmelon. Come to find out, the older I get, the more I like muskmelon. Mammoth basil. I had some of that. I grew it. It did well this year, so I wanted some more. Wando peas. I didn't have those in my collection. Sparkle radish. I did have some, but the seed's getting old, so I wanted to make sure I had some for next year. Double curled parsley. I am excited to find this one. I did not have this one. I wanted to get some. The Armenian cucumbers. Brad's Atomic Grape. Didn't have this in my collection either. So my seed bank is getting built back up. Freckles lettuce. Bushy cucumber, another one I didn't have. I'm very excited to put this in my seed bank. Chinese giant red pepper. You know, I'm kind of into everything named giant, large, mammoth, really big this year. Moon and Stars watermelon. I don't have any of this, so I was really excited to put that in there. And this is a bush bean I've never seen. It's a broad bean. It is called Roma 2 bush bean. So if you are, thinking of growing a garden next year, right now is the time to go buy some of these seeds. They will still be good to use next year. These are $1 at Dollar General. And they'll be wonderful. Go get them, use them, save them for next year, and then you'll know you have them, because I think seeds are something that you really need to keep back ahead for the next year. And this would be a beautiful survival garden if I weren't able to get seeds next year but needed to grow food. So go ahead, pick them up, $16. I got myself a survival garden. Thank you, and you have a great day. Here's another video you just might like. And before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.